This recipe is very special for me because this recipe is the reason why my husband married me. And so I am going to share this recipe with you. I made a non-vegetarian version, which was butter chicken. But today I'll be sharing the veg version of butter chicken, which I called Veg Butter Chicken, which is basically Malai Paneer, I think it's called. But here it is. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, ladies, this is the recipe that got me my man. Not like the heart and the stomach really have no connection, but it's fun to know that butter chicken was the reason why George decided to get married to me. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy this recipe.